Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook account. Let's get started. The first thing is open up your Facebook app and tap the menu icon on the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Now, you can see the account center option. Tap on this and now click on personal details. After that, now click on account ownership and control. Click on it and now you can see the two options. Second is the activation or delete. Tap on that and select your account. I have only one account, that's why it's showing this. If you have multiple accounts, you have the option selecting accounts. Click on your account. Now it shows you two options. The first is to deactivate your account instead of deleting it, because deactivating your account is temporary and deleting your account is permanent, and you can't get it back once you delete it. Still, you have 30 days of time, but again, if you delete your account permanently, there's no chance of getting back in the future. If you want to delete your account, select the second option and click Continue. And now it has you a question like why you have decided to delete your account. Questions like I spend time, I have privacy issues, my account was hacked, etc. You can select any of them. I'm going to select this, I have spent too much time on Facebook, and click Continue. You don't need to read this information, just click on Continue. Now, you get to see a bunch of different options. The first one is to deactivate your account instead of deleting it to keep your Facebook Messenger. Also here, you can save your post in your article. Also, it offers to download your information. I got one photo and two posts here, and some of the stuff I can download before deleting my account. Also, I can transfer my information to the account or something like that. And also, we can have a review app that I have logged in. Like you can see, I have Lazada, Terabox, and Tinder. Now, click on Continue, and now you need to enter your Facebook password and hit Continue. The next screen, it will ask you if you really want to delete your Facebook account or not. You will have to wait on Yes. And since then, your Facebook account will be deleted, but you can still restore your account within 30 days after deleting. You can just log into your Facebook account using your username and password to restore it. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And all of that, 13 days. Your account and all your account information will be hidden from other Facebook users. That's how you can delete a Facebook account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.